Grenada's community health workers have decided to take a stance against what they claim to be years of being ignored by the former and current administration on the many issues they face. They have initiated industrial action, hoping to have their issues addressed. According to the Public Workers Union president, these issues include improper compensation as they are not paid a traveling allowance despite doing over 700 miles of travel per month in their respective areas, lack of tools to fulfill their job requirements, unpaid claims, and understaffing.
They are not traveling officers. That is a major, major issue, the fact that they are not traveling officers. They give them a little allowance, right, for that, the fact that there is no traveling allowance, but it's about $350, right? Traveling generally as a designated traveling officer within the public service is $600. Apart from that, they don't have any tools, right? They don't even give them phones so that they can conduct their work. They have to use their own phones, their own credit, and so forth. There is issues in terms of pairing off genders, because you understand that if you have to deal with a client who is a female, you don't want a male dealing with that client, right?
Grimes said that while the union has met with the permanent secretary in the Ministry of Mental Health and Wellness, Naomi Jeremiah, on the matter, the issue has not changed.
What the union is seriously concerned about is the fact that 2023 has been deemed the year of mental health and wellness, right, in Grenada, Carriacou, and PD Martinique. But what we are just seeing is lip service in regards to that. We have written over and over again, right? We have tried to get meetings. We have secured a meeting with the PS, but basically it seems as though her hands are tied. The union is extremely disappointed because for the period, let's say over a year, we have not even gotten the opportunity to sit with the Minister of Health.
The president said that the 10 community mental health workers are now engaged in mild industrial action that will escalate if things do not change.
We wrote to the PS again on the 11th of September, copied the Minister of Health and said, listen, if we don't get some of the issues fixed, those low-hanging fruits that I spoke to on the 25th of September, there will be some form of action. We were not even dignified with a response. So going forward, as it stands now, the workers are wearing red armbands and union jerseys and so forth. The industrial action will be escalated if we continue to get the same treatment that has been meted out over the past few months and in fact the past few years.
Grimes is calling on the Ministry of Health to do the right thing and address the workers' cry. The Ministry of Health and Wellness will conduct a press conference on Wednesday to discuss regularization of public officers. GBN News, I am Rena Thomas reporting.